Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to upload a zip file to GitHub in roughly 5 minutes. Whether you are a newcomer to the platform or a seasoned user who hasn't yet handled zip uploads, this tutorial is designed for you. We will go through every phase together to ensure that you can successfully move your compressed files into your chosen repository by the end of this session. To begin, navigate to the GitHub homepage by entering github.com into your web browser. This is the starting point for all your projects. Once the page loads, locate and click the Sign In button to proceed. If you do not have an account yet, registering is a simple and free process for standard users. On the login screen, provide your registered username or email address. Be precise with your entry, as these fields are case-sensitive and require exact matching for a successful login. Next, input your password. Keeping your credentials secure is vital, so ensure your password is robust and private. If you have trouble remembering it, use the reset link on the page to regain access. After entering your details, hit the Sign In button to reach your personal dashboard. This area serves as your primary command center where you can oversee your repositories, check for updates, and manage your various coding projects and contributions. From your dashboard, which provides a comprehensive overview of your activity, you need to pick the specific repository where the zip file will be stored. If you haven't set one up yet, you can create a new one now. Otherwise, browse your list and click on the target repository. Once inside, find the Add File button. Clicking this will open a menu where you should select Upload Files to reach the dedicated transfer interface. Now we reach the core part of the process, adding your zip file. You can simply drag the file from your computer and drop it onto the browser window, or click to use the File Explorer to locate and select the specific zip archive from your local storage. While GitHub is quite versatile, ensuring your files are ready beforehand helps maintain a smooth workflow. Once the file is selected, it will appear in the list, but it isn't officially part of the repository quite yet. To complete the transfer, you must commit the file. Open the zip within the interface. There is no need to manually extract anything as GitHub manages that. And then scroll down to click Commit Changes. This step is essential as it saves the file permanently to your project. During this process, you can include a short summary or note explaining what the zip contains. This is a helpful habit for tracking changes and communicating with other team members. You have now successfully added a zip file to your GitHub repository. Mastering this is a great asset since zip files are perfect for bundling multiple items for easier sharing. GitHub is a powerful resource for version control and teamwork, and knowing how to manage your files effectively will keep your projects organized. I hope this walkthrough made the process clear. Feel free to rewatch any part if needed. Happy coding, and I will see you in the next guide.